There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
Yun guys, what's up? Samahan nyo kami ngayong araw at pupunta kami ng Gloria Outlet. So nandito lang kami sa tapat ng company namin dito sa Kinsot. Ayan o. Ayan.
Hey.
Bali maghihintay lang kami dito ng bus pupuntang Chongli. At 5035 yung sasakyan namin. Dito sa may tapat ng company siya tumitigil. So yun guys, abangan nyo kami at titingin kami ng sapatos sa Gloria Outlet. So ayun, mamaya update namin kayo kapag nandun na kami sa may Chongli.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? This is my life, my strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, And I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life. Whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sleeping in the summer on the
Nandito na kami sa Chongli. Kabagot-bahalang namin. Oo, ganito pag linggo. Ayun guys, nandito na kami. Bali bababa lang namin ng bus. Ayun. Ayun yung mga kasama ko. So dito lang kami, lakad lang kami dito sa may taas. Nakakuha ng TikTok ganda. Guys, dito na kami sa Gloria Outlet.
Yes sir!
Welcome, Gloria Outlet.
Ito itong busog. Mga magbutom na lang kaya.
Binatong. Sa baba doon. Sa
Kaya rin, maganda rin ito pa. Kaya meron. Yan sa kanila?
Hindi ko lang kung may antaro ito. Kunwari, mag-get tayo ng antaro ito. Ha?
Bumili na po pala yung akin.
Binidyohan ka niya ng magbabayad ah.
Normal.
Normal nga pa.
Yes, kaya tayo.
Picture ay dyan oh. Picture dyan oh, sabay yan ang harap.
Mga designer brands.
Dito tayo. Vlog-vlogan to the max. Ayun o, nasa ula. Yung
Ganda rin pala ng pang-vlog ko. Stable yung power ko.
stabilizer.
Pagsarap ko. Grabe guys. Sobrang ganda dito.
Ayan o, Vans, yung sinasabi mo.
Vans.
Sino? Ayan o, si Kim.
Sige.
50% combo. Ano, sa may ano. Hirap lang yun.
Mayaman pala dito.
Pag yung tinitirahan nyo. Yan, sa dulo. Ikutin natin, meron pa dyan sa patasan.
Natin lahat.
Maganda rin yung presyo niya.
Inside niya.